Weichai Chongqing Automotive. Weichai Chongqing Chi Cheiyu Xian Gongxi is the subsidiary company wholly owned by Weichai Power Co. Limited since 2012. Overview. Weichai Chongqing Automotive was formerly named Chongqing Jialing Chuanjiang Automobile Manufacturing Co. Limited, and was headquartered in Chongqing, China. It is a large automobile manufacturing enterprise, which is qualified to produce M1, M2, M3, N1, N2, N3 series vehicles. Enranger marque. In December 2013, Weichai Auto officially launched the Enranger brand for the Chinese car market. Enranger is the English name, with the Chinese name being Yingzhi. Yingzhi Enranger is a brand that produces passenger vehicles including crossovers, MPVs, and pickup trucks. Production started in the second half of 2014 in an individual facility in Chongqing. Initial capacity was 100,000 cars per year, which was planned to later be expanded to 300,000 annually. Current products include the following:
Enranger 737 Compact MPV codenamed M301, Enranger 737 EV Electric Compact MPV, Enranger 727 Compact MPV, lower trim level of the 737, Enranger G5 Compact crossover based on the 737 Enranger G3 subcompact crossover codenamed S201, Enranger EX1 Mini Crossover, Enranger P80 Pickup.